the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Assalamu alaikum. Respected principal, honorable teachers, dear guests, and my fellow students. Today I am here to speak about World Population Day, observed every year on 11th July. World Population Day reminds us that population growth affects many parts of our lives. As the population increases, the demand for food, clean water, education, healthcare, housing, and jobs also increases. If these needs are not met, many social and environmental problems can arise. We can all make a difference by using natural resources wisely, keeping our surroundings clean, planting trees, saving water and electricity, and spreading awareness about protecting our environment. Let us remember that every responsible action we take today helps create a safer, healthier, and more prosperous world for future generations. Thank you very much.